Hello everybody, today we're unboxing the AirPod 1-to-1 master copy. Let's see whether is it good or not. Wow, attachment string. What is this? Oh, the casing looks good lah. Quality looks good lah. Silicone. And see the main thing. Wow, look at this. Look at the quality. Wow, AirPods Pro. Okay, let's see. Designed by Apple, model A3047, AirPod Pro 2nd generation. Let's see. Plastic. No, just normal cardboard. Oh, there's a seal. So hard to open. Do I need to open this, or can I just shake it out? Nope. Let's use force. Wow, so hard to open. Alright. Oh, so hard to open. Alright, finally. And let's see, what do we have? Some instruction. Looks legit, but it's copy, and this is only less than $20. Wow, look at this. How do I open? Here. Overall the quality is, you know that it's fake. You can see it's not really. It's not really that good. What's that weird noise? Feel very plastic. But for $20, less than $20, around $20, I think it's good enough. Feels so light. Yeah, feels so light. And let's try whether it will work or not. There also cable, type C to type C cable, and some rubber for different size. Let's see. Oh, not your AirPod. Connect. Press and hold the button at the back of the charging case. How do I know it's done? Okay, and you can connect to my iPad. Connecting. So can I take it out? Skip. Okay, skip. And okay, let me test the volume. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh my god. Oh, actually the sound is not bad. Oh, the sound is not bad. The bass. Let me try. How do I control? Oh, overall it's not bad. Okay, so if you are on budget, I think you can buy this for spare if you don't want to bring the real one. Overall it's working. And yeah, see you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.